but still it's not uh still
Okay.
it's not
So
working.
the system software is not working or something like this.
It's like VMARE something we have to download first, right?
VMware,
So
yes. No, he
yeah,
installed and give you it.
he was doing that, and then after that restart it was showing. We restarted it, but then also nothing was coming up after that. And I've been texting sir,
No,
he
shut down
didn't
the
reply.
guest,
So
shut down the guest, and restart once again. Like restart the guest, you can click. Same procedure, you have to give the password only. You need not to type anything. The screen will come Windows 3 like this and all. Server that is, it will come and you have to give the password and restart once again. Power on it means sometimes it will happen. So you just made it as a shutdown means power will off. Then you give the power on and it will start again Windows 3 server like this, and we will get one Windows. There you have to type India 123. You need not to change the username there. Only India 123 have to type, and you will get the VMware workstations. That three type one image will
ma'am,
come.
I'm not
So
able to reach that portion only to type the password and everything. It's not showing up.
see over the
Like
phone,
he tried
see
to
over the
install
call.
and all.
Listen. Over the call, I will
Yeah.
not get to know. If we'll see the system, then only we'll get to know. Correct. So if
Mm,
you'll ask him, because software issues and all, admin only can handling that. Okay, so you have to
okay.
contact him, or else you can get the systems one day. We'll rectify this. It will work,
Ma'am, we
maybe
have
stuck somewhere.
exams next week, so like when
But
will
tomorrow
we
is
have
your
the SAP
exam.
exam?
Tomorrow only, 6:30. Tomorrow
Okay.
6:30 is the exam. That will be MCQs, not related to any practical things. So
Okay,
prepare
okay.
whatever I taught. It's all MCQ students. That is no practical exams. And practical you can do if any things, any problem in the future, you can come to the center. We'll rectify this. Not a problem. As you are our
Okay.
students, right? So we have taken class for you. So you can come and you can rectify. Not a problem. Okay. So that's all.
Okay.
And I'll start the revision class today from the beginning. One more time I'll show you. All have joined, I think. So here, what is actually SAP? I taught in the previous class. What is SAP? What do you mean by SAP? If it will ask you in exams, what you will say? Hmm? If I'll ask you, what do you mean by SAP? Tell me how you will define SAP. I shared one presentations. Did you remember? I share one presentations in the group also. I told to download it. So this is SAP Co, that is called system. What is that here? It's a ERP product. If it is
System
asking in online
analysis
exams,
program.
no, system applications product. One second here. One more thing. SAP ASAP methodology will come. Okay. And aspirations you practice. Then here SAP founder. Who is the founder of this? So I'm not going to discuss the PPT directly. I am going to the practical sessions today. Okay, theory part you can, system stands for system applications and products in data processing. This you don't forget what is the full form of SAP, because you have learned SAP full pico. So system applications and product in data processing. Then SAP is the market leader in ERP software. Just go through the PPT. Directly I'll start with the practical sessions today. So I have opened the software. So how to define a company? Now the first question is enterprise structures. How to go SPRO? Those who have not attended previous classes, means beginning classes, they can see that. So you have to open the software and click on see. We have the options here like suspend guest, restart guest, shut down guest. If you shut down again, you have to do power on. Now it is already on, so it is gray color is there. So when you will get the screen and the password is India 123, when you will get the SAP logon, you have to type SAP user, and there is no caps lock, and India 123, that is the password. In that case, you can go to the SAP easy access. Then what we need to type in the T code bar. See student, this is the T code bar. You can hide and you can show it. And last class I told you how many sessions can be opened in SAP software. 6. The limit is 6. Where is the start sessions here? This is the sessions. Create a new sessions. We can create only 6. We cannot open more than that. Then this is the T code bar. And what you need to type here? SPRO. Press enter. Here it is self reference IMG. Okay. Self reference IMG. So all are able to see the screen? Students? All are able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see this from the beginning, one child device. So you have to go to the financial accounting. In the financial accounting, see that is the second procedure. First, what we need to do, enterprise structure. In the enterprise structures, what and all we have to do, define. So define financial accounting. Okay, define company. You have to create a company, as we have created one company like MT10. Likewise, you have to create. So click on new entry. Just today you have to listen. Today you need not to do anything, need not to write. Just take a look on this, how it is working. So click on new entries. Once you click on new entries, what you have to do, you have to type a company name. So Tata, suppose I'm giving 21. So don't give space, directly you can create. So here I'm giving uh, capital letters, Tata, group of company, already 21 is there. So I need to create different one. So suppose I am giving 25. This has been not created. So I am going to create that one. So here I am giving 25. Okay. So next what you have to do, stick, post box, postcode. Directly I am going to the Bangalore. Okay. Then country is India. Next language key EN. Just little bit I'll tell you how to start it. INR. Okay. After this what you have to do, click on save. So data has been saved. See, this is not my company. This is the what company we have used this many days. Now I'm going to create own request. Create a request. So what is that? You have to type Tata Group of Company. You can give any name. I'm just for example I'm showing 25. Okay, Tata Group of Company 25. Click on save. This create is different. This request is ECCK. This is ECC server K90020202. Okay, so click on save. Now this is the company has been created. Next step, you have to check the positions like companies TA 25. Click on this. Now it has been created. Click on save. Come back. Next you can create edit copy delete check. So edit company code data. That means you are going to create company code. Okay. So click on new entries. Company code we have to give here MT25. So here I am giving Tata Group of Company 25. City is Bangalore. Country is India. Currency INR. English you have to give. Click on save. So the same key is already exists. So what I'll do, TA25 I'm giving. TA25. So it is accepting students, so you can take it. So here we have to type company, Tata Group of Company 25. So postal code is 560011, and this is what? City is Bangalore, country IN, region is 10. According to the Karnataka states, it will be 10. Likewise, you can do, and language key English, all these things are there, and click on continue, copy, enter button. So once you click on this, so Tata Group of Company has been saved. So company code has been created. Understood? Any doubts you have? Now we'll continue the next one. So what will the next one, student? What we need to do? Huh? Next step, what is that? Click on save, come back and check your positions TA25. Press enter. It's not a case sensitive. You can give any things. Next, close this and come back. Now next is business area. So we have to create credit control area also. Click on new entries. So what is that? TA25. What is the business area? So business area for TA25. Okay, TA25. So understood? So in this case, you have to go to the click on save and save it. Now we have to go to the credit control area. You can check the positions T825. Check the position here. It has been created. Likewise, we have to do define credit control areas. So define credit control area. In this case, what we need to do? Click on new entries. What you have to do? TA25. Then other things, currency you should not give, and fiscal year variant update, other things is there. You need not to change anything. We need to change anything here. Hmm? We need to change anything here. Credit limits. We have to give 1 lakh. Okay. Click on save. Fiscal year variant don't give. Fiscal year we
Why
have to
1 lakh,
create.
ma'am?
Credit limit. We are giving credit limit to the customer.
How much our amount we want we
No,
can
it
give,
is a
ma'am?
1 lakh only. We have to give credit
Okay.
limits. Credit limits you can decide. But right now I have given one, means that much transactions we can given to the customers. So it's a credit limit to the customers. Means when you are doing posting, parking, did you remember? Credit limits, we are tolerance group. I taught you this is the credit limit for the. If it is asking in the exam, what is the credit limit for the customer? That is 1 lakh. Okay, that is based on the designations. Based on the designation, suppose it is checked by the senior manager, then it will be different. But usually credit limit we are giving 1 lakh. Okay, so click on save. Next, you can see here we have to create here credit control area. I will show you what is the credit control area once again. So you will get to know actually what is that. Okay, actually what is that, you will get to know this. Okay, now take a look on this. If you have doubts, here I'll show that once again. So enterprise structure, sorry, not this one. One more we have file, that only I'm going to show you. See here we have a credit control area. I've already mentioned your enterprise structures. So here empty group 10 and we have given here. This procedure I shown you just now. Okay. Next we have to do, after save this, come back to the previous position. Now we have to do assign. So you have to come here, assign financial accounting. For assign company code to company. Right now we have to assign. Okay. So how to assign? Take the positions. TA25 is my company code. I need to assign with the company. Click on this and we have to search where it is. TA21. Okay. So Tata, you can find out here also and you can search also. See TA28, TA25. Na? What we have? Tata 25. This is the our company. Click on save and it has been saved. Likewise, we can do other. Next, assign company code to credit control area. Click on positions, take TA25, click on this, and here you have to give TA, what is that, 25. Click on save. Again, save it. So understanding how it is working. Next, what is that? After credit control area, what we need to do? Who can answer me? After credit control area, this is the enterprise structure has been done. Okay, now we'll close this enterprise structure. Now the next step, what is that? Yes, students, fiscal year, maintain fiscal year variant. Okay, maintain fiscal year variant, maintain shortened fiscal year, assign company code to fiscal year. Okay, now we have what? New entries here. You have to select. Click on V3 and copy as. So I need to change this as a T5. Suppose I am taking T5, press enter. So it is already existing, it's taking. So what I'll do suppose A5. A5, enter. So this is also same, it is taking. Okay. I'll take suppose 25. We'll cancel once. Okay, 1 second. Click on positions. Come out from the line once and again you go and give 25. We'll see that it is accepting or not. Positions, V3, click here and change this as a, this is all it's coming. Why? 1 second. Position is V3. So copy as. Okay. So here I'll give 25. Press enter. Close this. It is not taking. So I'll give different number. Yes, we'll see. Or else this data has been saved. Okay, we'll check the positions again. 25 it is taking or what? Yes, 25 has been taken. Okay, so if it is any problem is there, cancel it again. It will ask you, do you want to save? Yes. So 25 I have saved this. Click on save and come back. Next is assign company code to fiscal year. Go to the position. Company code is TA25. Click on this and fiscal year is what? 25. I have given, press enter. It is taking it. Again you press enter, save this. Okay. Click on save. Press enter and it will be taking here. So if file data was been saved, click on saved. If for confirmations you want to see one more time, take positions, company code TA25 and click on continue button. Now you can see it has been saved here. Okay, next is what you have. Next what we have to do after fiscal year, we need to do. Yes, students. Hmm? Field status variant, this GL creations, lot of things has been done. Okay, so tell me after this, after fiscal year, what will be there? Students, tell me. So we created company code, we created fiscal year. Next, anyone answer me?
Posting period, ma.
Hmm? Sequentially you have to do. So we have assigned business area, we have done defined groups. Okay, after fiscal year variant, chart of accounts, Then posting periods. Okay. So define credit card or assign company code, business area we have done. Next we have to do chart of accounts, maintain chart of fiscal year. Okay. So we need to do next one is chart of accounts. Okay. So chart of accounts, how to do, students? How to go to the chart of accounts? If you're doing practical, you will get to know this. Hmm? How to do? I'll close all the sessions. Now you tell me how to do chart of accounts. So GL account, master data, preparations, then edit chart of accounts. In this case, we have to click on new entries and chart of accounts is TA25. Okay. So descriptions what? Chart of accounts TA25. Understood? Hmm? Then what you have to do? Maintain language English. What is the English? Your English. English. Yes, this one. So GL account number 6. This you don't forget. This you don't forget. GL number 6. So this you can give automatic. Then click on save. Other things you need not to fill, students, by some other things here, group chart of accounts, block, nothing you have to do. Only this much you have to do. Click on save. Again save it. Next what we have to do, assign the chart of accounts. Now a position has been come. Then we have to do assign company code to chart of accounts. Click on positions TA25 and then what we need to do, chart of accounts we have to select. So MT25. Yes. So click on save. So MT25 check, it is asking. Okay, this is not that one. Sorry. I should check the positions here. No, I should cancel it. No. Okay, so wrongly I have saved this. So take the positions TA25. So it is then chart of accounts we need to select here. Chart of accounts TA25. Directly you don't type TA25 chart of accounts. Okay. Click on save. Then you click on save. Understood? So chart of accounts is done. Then define accounts group. Define accounts group. So here what we have to do, new entries. So assets we have to copy this. Okay. Then click on copy as. This is the accounts group. Right. That day, yesterday also I told you, day before yesterday also I told what is that accounts group, balance sheet, profit and loss accounts, will come assets, liability, income, and expenditure. Right. Here only you need to change the company code itself, TA25. Okay. Next, what is that we have to do here? Okay. So this has to be checked. See, 1 lakh to 1 I have given. Then for expenses 4 lakhs to 499, income 3 lakhs to 399. This is I have given, means that number range should be from 2 lakhs to 299. Press enter. Okay, 4 has been copied. Now click on save. So save with your company request. Come back to this here and check the position. TA25. Check the position, it has been created, right? Click on save. Come back. Next is define return earnings account. So it is MT10, it is displaying. So I need to change the TA25. Click on this. Here we have to X. This is 2 lakhs. We have to give. Press enter. Again enter. 2 times you have to press enter. Save with the company code, that is the liability, 2 lakhs. Why? Because liability account I'm creating. Next is after creation of all this, what we need to do next? Yes, students, anyone remember, after the chart of accounts, define groups, define return earnings, what we need to do next? Hmm? Posting periods and fill status variant, line items. Okay, How to go to the posting periods? Meghna, I'll just close all these things. Tell me how to go to the posting periods.
Financial accounting, financial
Okay,
accounting, global sectors,
okay,
document,
okay.
ma'am.
Posting periods. You're displaying already. Yes, define variant for open posting periods. Click on this. What we need to do? Positions. No, we need to create new entries for this. So TA25. Okay. So what we have to do? Posting periods for TA25. Press enter. So once choose an entity, click on save. Click on save. You need not to press enter, just save button, you press it. So positions, if you check TA25, it has been created or not? It has been created. Likewise, we have to do open and close posting periods. Open and close posting periods. I told you that A for assets, D for customer. This you don't forget, students. And K for vendors, M for materials, S for GL account. Okay. When you are doing GL account postings, your document type will be S. Okay. When you are doing vendors, vendor invoice K, it will be showing KR, KZ, sorry, KR for vendor invoice. So K for vendors. It will ask you that time it is required. Okay, so what and all we have to select? Plus A D K M S. Plus also you have to take it. Okay, remember that. See the screen and click on copy as. Next, what we need to do? We need to change to our company code. So TA25. So click the down arrow key. Here you type TA25. Fine. TA25. Okay. Now here we need to change. One and all, the Z you should not change. This is the system settings only. You need to change here 23, 23, 23. Because still our financial year is running. And here we have to change 24. Okay. Then here also 2024. It's a year dependent. Here also we need to change 24. So all are getting, students. So likewise press enter. So number of entries copied 6. Click on what we need to do. Click on save. Save this. Okay, done. Next what we need to do, we have to check our position. So here you can give TA 25. Click on this, it's displaying here. Okay, extra you should not take. This is only till display. Okay. Next is assign company code. One second. Assign variant to company code. Click on this position TA25. Click on this and we have to give the variant. What is that? TA25. Same things you can give and click on save. Okay. Then document number range. So define document number range. Click on IMG activity. So company code I'm giving TA25. You can see display intervals. Nothing I have created. So what I have to create it here? Change intervals. Intervals 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1 only you have to create. So here I'm giving suppose 1000 to 1999. Okay, 999. So right now I'm creating this. It is accepting. Click on save. This save was changed. Understood? Come back to this previous position. You can give on 25 also, but usually document number range we are giving. Define document number is 01. Then copy to company code. It is not required, students. You can leave that. Only document number range you have to define. Line items display, you can see define tolerance group for define tolerance group employees. If you click this is control area, don't do anything. Line item already has been created. I'll tell you the define document for account vendors and all different. Okay, after document number range, what is the next step? Sanvi, Meghna, hmm?
Field status variant, ma'am.
Field status we have to do. Posting periods we have done. Field status, okay. So what is the path for this field status? Hmm? What is the path? Now I close this. Tell me, what is the path for field status variant? Yes. Anyone? Hmm? Tell me, students, how to do field status variant? All are silent. Meghna? Hmm? Field status variant, I am asking. If you will tell, then I will proceed.
Financial account global settings, ma'am.
Okay. Then
Document, line items, then control.
no, not this. This is I did not teach you. I did not teach you in this way. Tell me. Hmm? Hmm? Yes, tell me, students. Okay. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, financial accounting, company code we have done here, and business transactions, the cash journals. Okay. So, who can answer me how to do field status variant? Anyone has any chart of accounts we have created? Field status means what is that? First, let me know what do you mean by field status. Hmm? Yes, students, what do you mean by field status? Here. Field status variant posting periods. Here I have given you this file already I have sent, I think, in the group. That is OB4. And we can do through the path here. Okay. So what is that self-reference? IMG, financial accounting, global settings, document, posting periods, not the controlling. Posting periods, define, fill, open, and posting period, execute this. Okay. And field status for this, I have given the path here. Financial accounting, global settings, document, line items, control. Yes. So who is telling Meghna? Meghna?
Ma'am,
So did you check with this? Have you
yes,
done with this? Okay. Financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings, then document types. Is it? Define document for interview. This you need not to do. Okay. So what we have to do? Here is the path, students. Document line items control. Okay. Document line items control. Here will be there. Just a minute. Tolerance group also we have to create. Define tolerance group for employees. You have to click on new entries. Just you give here. What is that? What is tolerance group we have to give? Group you should not give only company code TA25. What is that amount number range? 11 9. Okay. So 11 nines here 10. So cash discount I am giving here 10. Revenue is 100. Expenses is 100. This is the difference. What is the permit difference? Suppose I told you one example. Like suppose we are purchasing thousands stock items, 1,000 rupee stock items, and we are paying suppose how much 900. So what is the difference in between this 100? Till that difference 100 will be giving the permit to enter the postings. But among that we have no not we are not giving permissions to post the entries. Difference suppose 1,000 rupees we have done, and we are giving the chance to post in 900, but it means you have paid for the 900 means that can be posted. But if you have more than that, we were not giving permissions to enter the transactions, and that is known as the limit. Okay, so field status variant here, press enter. Field status group, you can directly go through the path wise. Okay, you can directly go through the T code wise. Here also we can do that. Okay, so if I'll give here field posting periods, define field status variant OBC4, you can directly do students, and here you need to save tolerance group. I'm going to tolerance group. So OB slash and OBC4. If you'll go through this path, it will be fastest. T code is the in real time work. We are using actually T codes. Okay. Navigations also required. T code also required. That's what I have sent the T code list in the group. Okay, you can just click on 001 and click on copy as. Once you'll copy as, what we need to do here, students? Meghna, what we need to do here? TA25 we have to give, and field status name TA25. Okay, so TA25. Understood? Now press enter. It is asking copy all, and how many copies will be coming here? Did you remember what is field status group? When we are creating GL masters, this will be required. Like G001, G067, G041. Now you are understanding this is the 41 dependent entries has been copied. Now you can save this with the company code, with the company request, and then what you have to do, select this and check the field status group. All these things has been come to this field status variant. Come back to this now, assign. So if I use the T code for this, assign company code to field for OBC4 is for field status variant, OBC5 for what is that? OBC5 for assign company code to field status variant. Okay, so slash and OBC5. Press enter and click on position. Give the company code here TA25 and click on this. Now field status variant is what I need to select. I need to choose from here TA25, where it is ST. This is your TA25. Click on save. Click on save. Understood? So likewise, we can do students. Next, after this field status variant, we have created tolerance group. We have defined document number range. Next, what we have to do? GL masters creations, right? Hmm? Then what we have to do, students? GL masters creations. So what is the T code for GL master creation? Okay, before that we have to do document splitting. Document splitting means what? Who can answer me? What do you mean by document splitting? Now you can see here, students, document splitting in SAP is the new functionality introducing in 2 minutes. Are seeing this document splitting in SAP in the new functionality introducing in SAP ECC6 and new GL account. So what is that? Your document splitting allows you to display documents using a differentiate representation. Okay, so we need to do document splitting here. So how to do? The path is there: financial accounting new, financial general ledger accounting new, then we have to do business transactions, then we have to do document splitting. Okay, so we'll go through the navigation wise, students. Now you can see here I have to do SPRO, press enter, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting, general ledger accounting new. Okay, so in this what we have to do? Business transactions, then document splitting. Okay, so a classified GL account for document splitting. Click on this and TA25, click on this chart of accounts it accepting. Now you have to click on new entries. Right now what we need to enter, now I'm asking to all students, tell me what I need to enter here. Yes students, tell me. If you'll answer, then I'll proceed. If you answer, then I'll proceed. This is already existing company, will not take this one. So 1 lakh to 199. Okay, this is what I'm going to tell you. If you forget, balance sheet 2 lakhs is to 299. That is, we are doing document splitting. This is also balance sheet. Why? Because 2 lakhs is liability and 1 lakh I'm giving for assets. So next is 3 lakhs to 399. What I'm giving here? Tell me, it's a revenue. So click on revenue. Then it is what? 4 lakhs to 499. This is must. Before entering GL masters, this is the must. If you will not create the document splitting, you will not be able to pass in. You will not be able to create GL masters. So this is mandatory to create. So click on save. Okay, click on save. So all this is done, students. Come back to this again, save and come back once again. Okay, and check once again your this one has been done or not. It has been created. Okay, click on save, come back. Next, we there is no assignments for the document splitting. Directly we have to go to the slash and fs double zero, press enter. So we are now in which screen? GL master screen. Okay, so we need to create. So what we have to create? 1 lakh. What we have to create? 1 lakh. Company code I need to change here. TA25. Click on this. So it is not taking. So first what I need to change here. Come back once again. So first try to create. Then only it will accept slash and fs double zero. If I'll go to the navigation wise also, so now it can come here. Understood? Once I come back and create all this. So here 1 lakh I'm giving. Click on this company code, descriptions. Okay, balance sheets. What we need to create? Asset. Then what is that? Cash account. Cash account. Here I should do cash account. Understood, students? Click on control data. Then what we need to do? We need to click on line item display. This is we have to Z001. Sorry, 001. Create bank interest is Z01. Z001. So this is for what reason? This is general with the text allocations. That is always we have to do. Click on save. Once you click on save, your one account has been created. One GL has been created. Then you create one more like 1 lakh 1. So 1 lakh one, what I'll create? I'll create suppose bank account. Type some descriptions, balance sheet, click on asset. Now I'll create ICICI Bank. ICI, sorry, ICICI Bank. Okay, so this is the short text. Next I'll create ICICI BANK ACCOUNT. ICICI Bank account. Understood? So after this, what we need to do here? One second, it is taking like this. Okay, after this control data, line item display, what we need to do? 001. Then we have to click on create bank interest. This will be Z005. Okay, click on save. It has been created. Likewise we can do for others, like suppose I am creating here land account 1 lakh 2, 1 lakh 2. I'll create here like one asset account, balance sheet. So I'll create asset, suppose what I'll create, students. Hmm? Furniture account, furniture a slash, because furniture is an asset. Furniture is an asset. So click on control data, click on line item display 001 posting case, posting date. And this is what is that? G001. Click on save. Likewise, three as I have created. Likewise, we have to do income, sorry, expenses. So what I have to give 2 lakhs here. 2 lakhs. Click on this. So descriptions, balance sheet, liabilities. Okay. Acha, what are the things comes under liability? Tell me the students now. So capital. So companies, capital account, right? Company's capital account. So CEO dot S capital account. Understood? So control data, line item display 001, create bank interest Z001. There are no changes in this. So click on save. Okay, I created capital. Now I'll create Sunday creditor 1 lakh 1. Sorry, 1 lakh not. What I have to give? 2 lakhs 1. 2 lakhs 1. Click on this and you have to go to the type of descriptions, liability, balance sheet, sundry creditor. Sundry creditor account. Click on control data, line item display 001. What with the create interest? This is Z067. Remember that this is reconciliation account. Syndicator is always reconciliation account. Okay, suppose I need to change type of descriptions, control data. Here we can select vendors. Sorry, here we can select vendors for this. Click on save. Understood, students? Syndicators are vendors. Likewise, we have to create on 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs, what I'll create? I'll create types of descriptions, PLN account, income. This is what? Rent received. A/C. Okay. Control data, line item display 001. This is what? Save G001. Click on save. So likewise, I have to create one more, like suppose 3 lakhs 1. I'll select your interest receipt. Okay, it is asking 3 lakhs 1. Sorry. So this is types of descriptions, bill and account, income. I'll create your interest receipt. Control data, then line item display 001, create bank interest G001. Click on save. Understood, rent receipt and interest receipt I have created. Likewise, I have to create for expenses. So 4 lakhs. What expenses I'll create? What expenses I'll create? I'll create, sorry, again I'm creating, sorry. So this is expenses. So in this case, I'll create commission paid. Commission paid A/C. Commission paid account. Control data, line item display 001, and this is Z001. Click on save. So income has been done. One more, let me create 4 lakhs 1. So in this case, what we need to do, one more expenses I am going to create here. I'm going to create one more expenses. Uh, Types of descriptions, bill and account, expenses. I'll create here. Purchase account, purchase account is a expenses, right? Purchase account. So here, purchase account. Control data, line item display 001 G001. Click on save. Likewise, you can do for one income like sales, because we are going to do now. So we'll create sales also. 3 lakhs 2. So I'm taking 3 lakhs 2. Click on this. Descriptions, income, sales account. So all students are getting understood, students, what and all I have created. Okay. Sunday debtor is also asset. We can create Sunday debtor 1 lakh 3. 1 lakh 2 is there. 1 lakh 3. Sundry debtor we can create, or accounts receivable also can create. So this is an asset. Sunday. Either you create accounts receivable or else you create sundry debtor. Does not matter. So both meanings are same. Understood? Control data. So here we have to select customer, line item display 001. And create bank interest, what is that? You have to select G067 for reconciliation account. Click on save. All these things you understood, students. Now we'll give one posting. What will do? Posting here. Till that, any doubts you have, students? Understood all these things? Why it is taking in this way? Okay, reconciliation it is taking as a G001. Why it is taking? We'll change later. What happened? It's talking now. Just a minute. There is a some things is there, I think. Okay, you can see your ones, master records, post entry visually. You can see whatever things we have done. Okay, it's created Sunday data. Okay, we'll do later on. That is accounts receivable. All you can do. Okay, so next we are going to do F02 general posting. So GL postings document date is 9. Anyone in any doubt, students? All are getting? Hello? Yes, still any doubts is there? Today is the division class till sharp 8 o'clock. I'll be finished. You have any doubt, students? So I will getting how it is the starting, how to do, what are the steps has to do. Okay. So if you are on understanding, students, put a thumbs up. Okay. Thank you. Next, we have to do GL postings. So what is that? Suppose my transaction is like we have rent paid, we don't have commission paid. So what we need to do here? Commission paid. So I told you line items. There are two line items. 40 posting keys are two. That is for 40 is for debit entry. 50 is for credit entry. Right? 40 is for debit entry. 50 is for credit entry. Next, what is that? 31 is for vendors. 01 is for customer. That you don't forget. And here we have to select commission paid. We have what? Commission paid. Press enter. So field entry field is required. Yes. Company code is mandatory. TA25. Currency also mandatory. INR. Okay. Then click on this. Enter. Now it's taking amount I'm giving. Suppose I'll take as a 10,500 or 10,000 or 1,600, 16,000 I'm giving. And value date is must. You have to select the value date. And text is being commission paid. Yes, commission paid. Being commission paid. Then posting key will be 50. What will be there? By cash. Suppose I'm paying by cash. So you need to select cash account, press enter. Amount column you have to put star students, and text is plus. Press enter and simulate. Display document overview or document simulate is also there. If you simulate this document, then you can see what your transaction is correct or not. You can see that. So this is commission paid. This is commission paid account debited to cash. Click on save button. So document 1000 was posted. Now why 1000 you did you remember? I have given document number range how much? 1000 to 199. That means the second postings, if I'll do 1001, it will come. I'll show you once again. Now see, second document I'm going to post here. So in this case, what we need to do, and I'll take suppose furniture account. I'm purchasing furniture. Press enter. So here, I always company code is asking. So you give TA 25 currency INR. It should not ask. Okay. Anyhow, press enter. Next is I'm giving suppose furniture account is 35,000 or 36,000. Same amount I'm not giving. 36,000. Here text will be being furniture purchased by cash. Being furniture purchased by cash. Okay. So posting key will be 50. Don't forget to give posting key, and this is by cash. If it is by check, you can mention bank account. Okay, press enter. This is for star, this is for long text is plus. Then go to your simulate and click on save post. So see, document 1001. I told you how many documents will be posting till 1 lakh. See 199 till it means till 1000 to 2000. In between this your document number, that many documents you can post. Understanding this, you have to understand what is the things actually. Okay, next is I'm going to enter, and this is you give TA 25 currency INR. Okay, and posting key here. What we need to do now, I'm going to receive something here. So received means which account will come first. Suppose an sales, cash sales I have done. So interest received is there. So interest received in the form of what? Cash. So I'll take cash. Suppose in this case I'll take bank interest. So suppose 1 second, I'll be changing here, removing this, and I'll select suppose bank interest I'm taking. So I say bank, press enter, and amount I'm getting 5,000 interest. So here being interest received, being bank interest received, you can write being bank interest received. Understood? So posting key will be what? Posting key interest received. Now you understood. Now you can ask me, ma'am, why interest received is a 50? It's a credit because if you are cash interest you are taking, suppose you are getting interest from the party, then it will be what is that? Cash you are getting means cash account debited to interest received. But now you are getting bank interest, so bank account will be debit and in the form of what? Interest. So always income and gains comes under credit side according to the nominal account. That's what we are giving cash for this. Press enter. So your value date is not given, value date you have to give. Click on simulate. I will give your stars. I have not given anything stars. This is plus enter. Click on simulate and save this. Okay, so document 102 has been posted. Understood general posting? Understood students? Any doubts is there? All are getting? All are getting students? So if you are understanding, put a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. So we'll proceed now. What will be the next? After GL postings, what is the next one? What I need to do? Hmm? What I need to do? Tell me. After GL masters postings, this is the general postings. Then we have to do vendor invoice, vendor posting, vendor document. Now I'm asking you the same questions. What is the document types for vendors? What are the document types for vendors? Who can answer me now? Yes. Anyone? Meghna, Sanvi, Apeksha, Srinidhi? I'm asking to all, not a single student. All students I am asking. Tell me, what is the document types for vendors? It will ask, then what you will do? Hmm? Answer me if you know. Meghna.
KM.
KA for vendor document. Okay, next. What is for vendor invoice? Sanvi.
KR. Oh, sorry.
KR for vendor invoice. Correct. Next. Asking to all. Then vendor payment. Hmm? Vendor payment. KZ for vendor payment. Okay. Then for customer for this, for customer
DL.
document. Arey, all silent. Tomorrow you have an exam. That's what I am asking you. DA for customer document. DR for customer invoice. DZ for customer payment. Understood? What is the document types for cash journal? Yesterday only I taught you. AB for accounting document. That is, what is that? AB. Understood? So this you don't forget, students. Okay. So that we have done GL creations,
Can you
document
repeat
splitting.
what you told now?
Huh? Which one?
That AB one, ma?
AB for cash journals. Yesterday we created no one more time. So AB for accounting document.
Okay.
AB for accounting document. Now I'm asking you, what is the T code to create vendor document? What are the T code to create vendor document? I'll go to the accounts payable part one more time. I'll show you on the screen. See this. This you have to do this. Okay. So T code is must, students. You can see the recordings, everything has been given. Define account group with the screen layout. So I'll show you now how to define groups with the screen layout with vendors. Okay, so financial accounting new, accounts receivable and payable, vendor account, master data, preparations for creating vendor master data. Okay, so now you see the students how to do this. So come back to the SAP Easy Access, okay, and SPRO. SPRO. We can go by T code also, but navigation is also important. So financial accounting new, accounts receivable and payable, vendor account, master data, preparations creating vendor master data, define accounts group with the screen layout vendors. Click on this and we have to create new entries. So accounts group I have given TAVN already I have used. I am not giving TAVN. What I'll give now? Hmm? I'll give uh, Tell me any accounts group. I'll give that one. MTVN will give. It is not there, I think. MTVN. We'll try to do this. So, domestic vendor for what is that? Domestic vendor for TA. TA. No, you forgot so soon. TA 25. MTVN I have given. We'll see that what will happen. Company code data you have to click. Accounts management. Reconciliation account you have to click on, and see here suppressed required optional display. See, required means it is a mandatory field to enter. Optional means you can, or you can see cash management is optional, all this thing, but in this case it is mandatory. Reconciliation account display means that options will be showing in the gray color. Okay, click on come back, and come back, and you can save this. Okay, so save with this. So MTVN, remember that MTVN I have created. So if I go to the company code data accounts management, see already it has been done. Click on, so domestic vendor for TA 25. Click on save, come back. Next, what we have to do, students, create number range for the vendor accounts. So display intervals we don't have, we have to create intervals. Okay, so click on intervals. What we need to give for the vendor document? What we need to give for vendor document? We have created a required entries here. Okay, so any numbers you can give, students, like 04 I have given. You can give, like our is 25, so I'm giving 25 here. And suppose I'm giving 2 lakhs. It's 2 lakhs, not, I'll give suppose 3 lakhs, not, I'll give, what I'll give suppose 2000. This is document number range. This is maintain number range for the vendors. Okay, so here I'll give suppose 2 lakhs. Take 2 lakhs. What will happen? 2 lakhs to 299, and click on continue. So interval already available, it's telling. Okay, we'll check this intervals. Close this. Here we'll take one number range, or else 25. 25 is there. Okay, 25 has been created, students, so we'll take different one, like I'll give suppose T5. So this is 2000, 20,000 to 2999. Okay, 49. It is already overlapped. Okay, so in this case what we'll do, you can go and delete this entries. This 25 I'm going to delete, and I'm going to use again 25. So I'm giving 6 lakhs to 699. This is also not taking. Okay. Okay, we'll take this 3. 2 lakhs to 299 has been given. So this I'm going to delete, and 3 lakhs I'll give now. So here which one I have removed? 1 second. Okay, this I have deleted. Okay, come back. Intervals 03. So 2 lakhs to 299. So it will ask you save. You save and see that yes, it has been there. So come back, and again come back. Now assign number range to accounts group, vendor accounts group. So a vendor accounts group is just now I created MTVN. MTVN we have created. So here domestic vendors. So what is the number range I have given? I have given 03. You can assign number range. Number range 18 if not defined in vendors. Okay. One second, it is taking. Leave. This is for different one. Our has been saved. So escape, escape. It is asking the number range. You have to just check the position. This has been someone has used, but not I have deleted. No, so it is asking positions, but our has been created. Need not to worry about this. And next we have to create what vendors. What is the next one? We have to create vendors for this. So maintain number range, that is we have to do save buttons, and this we have to do TAVN. I have created. So MTVN I have created. Maintain number range for KR, K4, all these things. I have given 03. You can give 04 anything. So OB A7 T code bar /n OB 7. Okay, so here we have to do document type positions KA. So what is that? Vendor document. So double click here. 17 number range we have to create in the TA25. So here if you display 01 has been created only, we have to create what is that number range 17. Okay, so TA25, click on change intervals, intervals 17, and I'm giving 2023. What is that I'm giving for this 4 lakhs to 499? Click on this. It has been created. Save. Again, save. Okay, come back, save, come back. Next is what? KR. KR for vendor invoice, 19 number range. So what is that? TA25. This is your intervals, 19 number range, 2023. So I'm giving now 5 lakhs to 599. Okay, click on continue. Save this and save with that. Escape. Next, what we need to do, students, this has been saved. Come back, then position KZ. So KZ vendor payment number range is 15. So TA 25 intervals. This is number range is 15. What is that? 2023. From I'll give 6 lakhs to 699. Click on continue. Click on save. So data has been saved here. Okay, understood, students? Next, likewise, you have to do. We have to do here what? Sorry. OBA7 is a T code you can do, and next we have to do this. All has been done. Same procedure you have to follow. Then we have to create vendors tolerance group. We can do OBA3. That is the T code for this /n OBA3. Press enter. You can directly go to the tolerance group screen. Okay, tolerance group for vendor and customer. Click on positions. Company code is TA25. It has been created. No. So we have to create TA25. Students, you should not enter any other things here. Just click on save. Okay, if you enter, you will not be able to pass any entries. 110% discounts already we have defined tolerance group. This is for customer and vendors is same. Okay, so one time creations only. Next, what we have to do, we need to create this one. Edit GL accounts, we have created. Sunday creditor, we have created. Purchase accounts. Next, we have to create vendor account. Vendor in the account is FK01. What we need to do here? FK slash and FK01. Enter. Okay. So vendor we have to create. So accounts group it asking what is our accounts group? MTVN. Huh? Press enter. So next we have to select company. I am creating here Sohan Private already I have created. I am giving Seema and Co. Seema and company I am creating. Next is I am giving postal code is 560011. Bangalore. Country is India. Reason is 10. Okay. So after this, what you need to do, press enter. It is come to the customer. Okay. So click on save. It will ask you reconciliation account, Sunday creditor, cash management is A1. A1 for what students? A1 for domestic payment. Okay. AP for the why it is AP? Did you know this? AP means accounts payable. Okay. So click on save. Once you click on save, come back to the previous screen. FK01 we have created. Next we have to create this one already we have done. Bank account, cash management, all this thing, GL purchase, indirect expenses we have created. Purchase account we have created, and FB60 now vendor invoice. Now I'm to showing you one vendor invoice posting. So FB60 slash and FB60. Okay, press enter. Company code TA25. It came. So company code directly showing students. Next, what we have to do, click on this vendors. Asha, we have not created vendors for this. One second. Why it is not created vendors? It is there. No, sorry. Sima and Co. It is the vendors. Okay. Next is what we have to do. Click on invoice date. Amount I am going to give. Suppose 28,000. Okay, and your GL account, what we have to select students? Purchase account. Purchase account created? Okay. Debit. It will always debit. Amount is 28,000. Okay. Then it will ask you the business area. It is must. Empty not. Sorry. This is TA 25. Okay. Press enter. Accounts assignment not business area. It's asking TA 25 you can give and click on simulate. Once you click on simulate, it is displaying. Okay, next what you have to do, directly you can post it students. So what is our company code, give that one and post it. So it is accepting. Now we'll check this vendor payment. So how we can check this has been posted or not? What is the procedure to see that it has been posted or not? So here we have a document. I have to change display. So here I'll give 203 document list. Sorry, document list I need not to give. So this is one second, one second. I'll just go through this. Document says 5 lakh something I've given. 2023. Press enter. Yes, it has been completed. Okay, this has been entered students. Then we have to do posting. What we have to do? Posting means like payment. How to do payment? Outgoing payment. So Now you can see what is the things I am showing you here. What is the things I am showing you here? F07 for outgoing payments. Don't forget F06 for incoming payment. This is the T code for this. Incoming for F06 for incoming, F07 for outgoing payments. So document date is 9 and currency and company code is must TA25 INR. Okay, you fill all these things. And account says what we have to do. Suppose I am selecting bank account. ICICI Bank I have. Okay, amount is 28,000. Suppose I am doing through bank payment. So value date you can select cash also, does not matter. And we will do cash because it's a bank data, so you have to enter bank only. And text is optional, and you can select your text. Account says a Sunday creditor account. Okay, and click on process open items. So there is no open items managed in the 2001. What is happening here? Some post outgoing payments. Okay, we'll do one more thing. Vendor posting is F53. We have not posted here. Slash n F hyphen 53. This is post outgoing payments. Here, posting period is not displaying. That's the reason. 1 1. And what is that? TA25. I think that we have to check it is has been posted or not. So this is ICICI Bank value date 9, and this is account. Now it is showing students. F53 you type instead of that. F53, not F07. It's outgoing payment. It is maybe it will stop. What I taught you that you type F53. Okay, click on here, process open items, amount 0, line number ignore. Okay, amount I have given 28,000. Process open items. Now one item has been selected, students. Now you can post it. So document 6 lakhs was posted in TA25. You understood 6 lakhs for what I have given? I have given for vendor payment. Okay, it's like 6 lakhs to 699. Means 6 lakhs to 7 lakhs. I have given document number range for KZ. That's what it is displaying. Understood? Got it, students? Any doubts in there? Likewise, you can do for customers also. Okay, we'll do one customer invoice. Are you all are getting 53 outgoing payments you do, students? Don't do that. F07, it will stop there. So you have to do process items, post incoming payments, open items. You can see that. Okay, and 53 is for post. Acha, how to see the GL line items? Next, we have to post it. Then for display, what we need to do here? We need to go to the accounts payable. We need to go to the accounts. This we have to display line items. So here press enter or execute this. So it is displaying. See, payment has been done. There is no current balance. It has been already paid. Okay. So this is the ledger balance. What is FPL1 and for what? Line items display. So you have to click on clear line items. Vendor account you have to select. This is SEMA and Co. Execute this. Got it, students? This is all green buttons means payment has been cleared. Everything has been done. There is no separate things here. Okay. Got it? Any doubts in there? KR we did and KZ we did. KR is for vendors document, KZ for vendor payment. So is that clear to all? Is that clear to all students?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone has any doubts? So if you understood, put a thumbs up. Little customer I'll show you and will complete this. It's just revision class, so I'm revising all these things. Okay. Tomorrow 6:30, you have to log in with the same link. Exams will be there. So we'll be showing you how to take exam in the tomorrow's class. Okay. So likewise you can do for customers. So just few minutes is there, students. Any doubts you have, just ask me. If you have any doubts in this, same procedure you have to do for accounts receivable. This is just opposite of the accounts payable. Okay, here also we have to do create number range to customer, create a customer accounts group, create number range to customer accounts group, assign number range, mean assign number range to accounts group, customer accounts group. All these things you have to. Okay, maintain number range for DA, DR, dealer. How I shown you like this, you have to do tolerance group for customer, create a GL accounts. Okay, and for Sunday data, credit sales account, income, all this thing. Create a customers, create customer invoice and payment. That is the things. Okay, so I'll just show you how to create, go to the customer part, and we have to go to the SAP SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, accounts receivable payable, customer accounts, master data, sorry, customer account, master data, preparations. So define account group with the customers layout. So here we have to click on new entries. You have to create a customer for this. So what will create here? TACS already there. So MTCS I'll create. MTCS also I have created. So anything you can create, students, like same procedure you can follow. Same reconciliation account you have to activate, all these things. Okay, so I'm not going to do that. It will be same lengthier procedure. Till that, any doubts you have, let me ask for 10 minutes. 10-15 minutes is there, students. Ask me. If you will not ask, I will ask the question. Is that okay? Huh? Is that okay? I will ask you question. Hmm? Are you ready to answer? Okay.
Ma'am, should we by heart the chart of accounts that short forms and from account to account like 1 lakh 101?
Yes, you have to give that. If you will not do that one, you will not be able to post any entries. Chart of accounts, without this we can't proceed. Only see when we are creating GL masters. Okay, chart of accounts is necessary. If one, what will happen? Suppose you forget to create chart of accounts. So when you are clicking on balance sheet or some things, it will ask you this company does not have chart of accounts. Like this, a message will come. Then suddenly you have to go to the chart of accounts creations and edit chart of accounts. You have to do. Means it is mandatory to create chart of accounts and document splitting to post to create GL masters. What happens, Srinidhi? This is your so much thumbs up is coming. Okay, Srinidhi, you want
Ma'am,
to ask
sorry,
any?
it was by mistake. It was by mistake, sorry.
Okay, you want to ask any question? Today is the last. You can ask the question. Tomorrow is the exam, students. That's what I am asking. Wherever your doubt is there, ask.
Which time to which time exams,
Six
ma'am? How
thirty,
many
6:30
hours?
sharp. 6:30 you need to connect, students. I'll be connecting also. We'll be showing you how to take exam. It is just I think 1 hour. But 6:30 we are going to start. Okay, all students log in at 6 o'clock only. Stay login. Don't do late. Okay. So Tejasri has attended all the classes. Tejasri, you have any questions?
Ma'am, how many questions, ma'am?
How many questions now? Any doubts you have? Ask. Oh, there, exam. I think
Yes, ma'am.
50. 50 questions. Each questions 2 marks, 100 marks it is.
Okay.
100 marks. Okay. So, related to subjects, you want to ask anything? Whatever we have till today, we have completed all. Okay. Basically, till GST, cash journals hardly will come, but till GST, you have to prepare fully. Fully, you have to prepare till GST, because in future also it will be required when you are, suppose you after completions your graduations you are getting a job in a bigger company, Infosys or something like this, then they are demanding is SFF equals. So see, tally is there, but tally is for retail business. For basically most of this companies are running with the SAP itself. So if you have done this accounts with the SAP, then it will be useful in the futures. Okay, that is SAP is in most demand than the tally. Okay, so that's what I'm telling. Properly you study, properly you do the softwares, and those who have a software issue, contact. Does not matter. You can come afternoon any days, but in these days you should have done. Those who have not done, it will be difficult because tomorrow is the exams. Maybe after this, I cannot give you surety on this. You have to speak to the admin. Okay, so that's the reasons. And try to finish by tomorrow whatever practice you have done. Sanvi, how much you have done? Sanvi,
I
hello.
just have to revise everything again in last class.
Hello. Yes, Sanvi, tell me.
Ma'am, I just have to revise everything again
Yes,
in last
revise.
class.
Once again, you revise. See the recordings. All recordings. Yesterday recordings has not been sent. It is 7th only. I already requested the admin to send one more time. We'll be getting by tomorrow both. Basically, yesterday recordings. Today is the revisions. That recordings will get. Does not matter. But 2 recordings I'll request to send in the group itself. So that you can, because that is the dunning procedure I taught last yesterday class. So it has been done. Okay. So any other queries? Any other questions? Misha? Apeksha?
Yes.
Okay. So what we'll do? We'll wind up, or if you have queries, then you ask. Freely you ask without any hesitations, and we can solve by next 5 minutes. 7:55. I'm winding the session, so I'm asking you. Okay. So one more thing, question students, like all ebook you have seen yesterday or day before yesterday, told about that ebook. Did you are you open? Have you opened? Have you checked that? What is there? So we are not sending notes because recordings as well as ebook has been provided by our center itself. Okay, did you check? Who has checked? Please raise. Please put a thumbs up. Who has been checked? Ebook. Okay, Srinidhi, Meghna. Next.
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said?
Sanvi, you have not checked?
Check the app.
Yes, yes. In app only it is there. Notice you can go to there, and
Ma'am, I've
ebook are
checked.
provided to all students. All
Ma'am, I've
students
checked.
ebook SAP ebook will get. Okay, so need not to worry about. Ebook is there, recordings is there. Follow that and this. Even T code set also one Excel sheet I have sent. That also you can download. And GST special notes I have sent. Whatever I taught in the class. And dunning procedure cash journals also I have sent. Which is the main last 3 parts I have sent it. And you just save that and you can follow it. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll wind up the sessions now. Hmm? Yes, students. Okay, this is customers OBD2, that is transactions code for creation customers. Take a look once. XD and 1 and OBAR, all these things, OBD2. Anything, any notes you want, please contact my number. I'll be sending you from my number itself. Contact me in WhatsApp and I'll send it. Okay, because in groups recordings are already available. So this class has been completed, students. Okay, so we'll wind up the sessions now. Why all are silent today? Not asking anything. Okay, Kunjal has put a thumbs up. Okay. So all the best for the exam, students. What I can say. Tomorrow sharp 6
Thank you.
before 15 minutes you can connect, students. 6 o'clock or 6:15 by you connect. 6:30 I'll directly start on this. I'll be showing you because we are already decided. We're already decided with the management. Like 6:30 we are starting this. Okay. So anything is there, we'll put in message. It's confirm at 6:30 only we'll start. Okay. So tomorrow class is for till today. Okay. All the best, all the best, everyone, for the exams. Study properly, take the exams, get a very good marks. Okay. God bless you all. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.